Good morning. It is 6:14 in the morning. It is the 6th of September, so it's the first day back to school for the girls. And I thought I'd show you our morning. We've got Mika starting a new school today. Ari's going back to her old school because she's in an infant school. She's got one more year there. And Fox has got nursery people coming around here for his intake, which starts Thursday. So I'm just going to straighten my hair and then we'll go and have some coffee. Hair's done. Camera battery died, so we're on the phone. Just did loads of sneezes. She's just doing a book. I'm gonna get dressed in a second and we'll go downstairs. Mr. Fox is just waking up. Hi, Foxy. You're fixing stuff. Say hi, Bender.
No.
Bender looked like he had a good sleep. You do a good sleep, Foxy? Foxy, did you sleep good?
That's alright.
Middle one is still... She's still sparky. Her alarm's going to go off in like 5 minutes. Mika, do you want to go downstairs? And you can feed the kitty cats. Mummy's just going to get dressed. So we're just going to get dressed. It's meant to be about 24 today. So I'm going to go leggings and a t-shirt this morning. And then maybe shorts later. Dressed.
He flapped my tail around like
He fluffed his tail around you. You show me.
that.
Need some clothes for you.
Bandits.
Don't get him dressed yet, because otherwise he'll get dirty with his breakfast. Where's Bandit gone? Here he comes. Where's your other kitty cats? Oh, banana. Nah. Who's your best kitty cat, Fox?
Bandit.
You love him.
Yeah.
Who's coming to see you today? Who's coming round to play with Foxy?
Nursery.
Nursery?
Yeah.
That'd be so cool. What are you going to show him? What are you going to show him? What did you get for your birthday?
Big bim bum
Big
and little one.
You're going to show him that? Play-Doh? Puzzles? Cool job. Should we go have some breakfast?
No.
Well, I'm going to. Excuse me, sir. Get out of your bed. Come on. Yuck, yucks. Come on. Yucky. Come on, then. Oh, big stretch. Good morning. Scoop. Bye-bye. Foxy, what you got?
Not anything.
Shredders. Foxy's got shreddies.
I'm not got feathers.
Mika's got Rice Krispies. Ari's still asleep. Here she comes. Hello. You awake?
Oh, Spazz unentertainment.
Got come on, you got these. I'll take them. Got yours. Got the rip.
Camera. Is that baby? A little bit.
No, okay, you're getting my camera. What are you doing?
Come. Go to this one. I'm going to get you. So hair and makeup's done. I've got a couple of orders to print. I haven't picked my tarot card for the day, so we can do that together. This is just a little bandit. Oh wait, just a little pack I got. I think in Witch Casket. So I kind of just have a think and then feel what one I want. That one. The universe is listening. I choose my thoughts wisely. Is it going to focus? There you go. And then I put them up here every morning in my tarot card holder. It's getting a bit full. And here's Banana again. Binksy's over there. So I'm going to print these orders. I'm going to go downstairs. And it is 7:47. So, oh, there's the bloody dog. He's not putting him away. Rocky. Mika's now going to school. She's going for her first day at her new school, but I can't do the drop off with Aria. So Daddy's taking Mika to new school and taking Foxy, and it's just you and me, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh it, ooh it, ooh it, ooh it. So we've got ages. We don't need to leave for like 10 minutes. So I've just made myself another coffee. And yeah. Are we ready for school? Yeah! 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 Are you excited? It's Mrs. Yallop. Who are you excited about seeing? Your best friend. Ari, your top has got paint all over it. I refuse to buy them new clothes when they fit. This has got paint all over it. Oh dear. Oops. 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 Cheeky chop. How's your arm feel? It hurts a little bit. They had their first vaccines yesterday, so they've got dead arms. Yo-yo. There's no one here. Why is there no one here? Blah, blah, blah. I do not say blah, blah, blah. Do you say blah, blah, blah?
No, I do not say blah, blah, blah.
I forgot to bring you a coat as well. What a rubbish mummy. It's going to be warm today though. Give me your book bag so I can put this in it, please, babe. Kids are dropped off. Just had a chat with the deputy head about drop-off times, because Mika's new school is like a 10-minute walk away for an adult, and there's only 10 minutes between drop-offs. Mika has to go in first, so I don't know how I'm meant to get Fox and Aria to school and nursery. So she's going to have a little think, but I'm now going to the post office. So let's go. Right. Oh, I just spat. We're now going home. I can't see if anything is coming. Thank you. Right. I hope Mika got on okay. I feel really bad that I wasn't there for her first day. As I missed her first day, her first proper day of like reception, because that was when I had my heart problems and had to go to resus. And I was like, just the whole time in the ambulance, I was like crying because I was missing Mika's first day of school, and they were like, you need to just stop thinking about that and focus on your heart. And I was like, okay. But I managed to get out, and I could do pick up. I was just very, very slow walking. I had Weetabix for breakfast, but I'm so hungry now. I only ate like 1.5. And I think I probably should have eaten both of them. What is it now? 9 minutes past 9. And I am Hank Marvin. Crap in my eyes. There's a big truck. Let me know, how has everyone else's kids dealt with going back to school? Has everyone been excited? Today at Aria's drop off, there was one little girl in her class who was crying, but she always cries like every day, so that's nothing new. And then there was another little girl, because Aria's class, Aria's year 2 now, but it's mixed with year 1. So last year she was year 1 mixed with year 2s, and now she's year 2 mixed with year 1s. And there was a little girl who's come up from reception who's in Aria's class now, who's year 1, and you could see she'd been glowing. She's like super red around her eyes, but Ari was fine. She was she was excited to go in. Like, she saw her best mate, which was nice. Like, they've seen each other over the holidays because we're friends with their parents as well. But yeah, let me know how your kiddywinks have got on. I think this will probably be the end of this video. I'll just drive home because I'm not going to play with my phone while I'm driving because that's naughty. Oh, they're cute dogs. Oh, there's a big dog. He's a big boy. There's a big chunk. Oh my god, he's amazing. There's a blue staffy and he was a tonk. Yeah, so I'm now going to go home and tidy the playroom and play with Foxy Man. I'm trying to do some writing. I've like picked up writing a couple of books, so I need to try and do a little bit of that, and I need to do some research for some other things that are happening. And then at 1 o'clock we've got the school are sending like the nursery staff round to do the home visit, so I think that'll only be half an hour or so, and then I've just got to go and pick up the girls. I think I'll probably leave Fox at home when I go and pick the girls up. I think I pick Mika up at 3 and then Aria at 10 past, and it doesn't matter too much like in the afternoons with the walk, because especially if it's just me and Ari, or just me and Mika walking, because like Mika can walk further, and Ari can walk further. Well, it's just Fox, but in the afternoons it doesn't matter. Like if I'm late picking Aria up, she's not going to get like a strike against her name for being late. That's what my worry is in the morning, that Aria and Fox are going to get marks against their name because we're going to be late every day. There's literally no way I'm going to be able to drop Mika off at her school and get back in time to drop them off on time. And like, I spoke to the head teacher and she said there must be like other people that do it, but she said other people would have a buggy and Fox won't go in a buggy. Like, so a 10-minute journey for me walking is going to be 20 minutes probably for Fox, and that's if he walks properly. Like if he throws a wobbler, that could be a half an hour walk. So it's like, hello Mr. Magpie, I don't know. But yeah, I'm nearly home, so I might do a live. Let me know what days and times you like for live videos, like if you like them in the evening, if you like them in the mornings, just to have a chat. And also I have opened up my memberships again, and I really debated doing it because it's money, but I'm hoping even if just a few people do it, then it will just give me a little bit of money so I can like add more things to the channel, like more unboxings and hauls and stuff, like whatever anyone wants to see. And the members get exclusive content, lives, everyone gets discount from my Etsy shop all the time. That's like an unlimited amount you can buy with a discount. And I think like the first 25 people that are signing up, I'm sending them a present in the post. So yeah, I'll leave a link and everything, but don't feel like you have to. Like, I really feel bad asking, but it is, I'm looking at it as a business. So although I love you, that side of it is business. But I'm home, so I'll smell you later.